What are the 4 roadblocks or stumbling blocks that stop people from having an online business and ultimately having a successful online business? Well, the first is the fear of failure. I mean, no one really wants to fail. Then once you get your online business going, is where are you going to find your customers? So there's that fear of where are you going to get your traffic? Then the third fear is, am I going to have enough money to make this successful? What happens if I run out? Like, where am I going to advertise? And ultimately, the fourth fear is the fear of unknown. And can I do it? Hi, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, the secret to never spending another dollar on Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to actually address 2 of the 4 fears. And the first is, where am I going to get my traffic? Well, that's an easy one because you're not going to be going after traffic. Traffic's going to come searching for you. And the second one is, am I going to spend all my money on expensive ads with Facebook and YouTube and Google and Bing and everyone else? No, this is going to show you how you can rank number 1 on Google, on YouTube, and on the Google carousel, the 1-2 largest search engines in the world. And I'm going to show you an example how powerful this is with a course, and it's called a 24-hour ranking course with Paul Murphy. Then in a moment, I'm going to put a link on the screen and also in the description box of how you can access my free bonus seminar that Paul Murphy goes a little more into depth and explains how powerful this whole program is. Make money on YouTube without making videos, the secret to never spending another dollar on Google Ads. Now, a lot of people now, after the COVID-19 pandemic, have lost their jobs or have been cut down on their hours and their wages, and they're going to online businesses to actually make it up and probably maybe even get rid of their jobs and just do online business alone. Now, it's really scary because the first 2 questions is, how am I going to drive traffic to my online business, whether it be eBay or Amazon or Shopify, and, or an affiliate company? Like, what am I going to do? And how much am I going to spend on ads? Because ads are brutally expensive if you go to Google Ads or Bing Ads, or, well, Bing is cheaper, but they don't get the volume. I mean, let's face it, the number 1-2 search engines in the world is Google and YouTube. And people will go to Facebook and do Facebook stuff too, but it's not the number 1-2 punch. So when you do advertising, you have 2 advertising options. When you start your you start your online business, you can spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on future ads spent with a 99% chance of failing. Last year, Google came out with a statistic showing that of the 501,000 new online businesses, only 1% succeeded. Now, those are not great odds. So if I was to show you, knowing you have a system where you have 0 chance of losing, where you don't need much in the way of subscribers, like I showed here, where you don't need many views. And as you can see here, I probably on this screenshot, probably only have an average of 45 to maybe 50 views. And it's not going to take you 3, 6, or 9 months to actually get yourself on the first page, but do it in 2 minutes with no views. Be on the Google carousel in 2 minutes and be in the videos in 3 minutes. Now, the beauty of this is when you do YouTube videos, because YouTube and Google are owned by the same company, if you do it properly and follow the steps of Paul Murphy's 5-step program, you're going to take your YouTube videos and place them number 1 in the Google ranking. And you can do it. He says 24-hour ranking system. I'm telling you, by this, I've done it. I mean, it's rare. I don't remember the last time it took me 24 hours. In fact, I don't remember the last time it took me an hour. As you can see, this was 2 minutes. This was 3 minutes. Now, if you could get coverage for your business like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, and by the way, all for free, never having to pay another ad on the #1 and #2 search platform in the world. And like this, I mean, how much would that benefit your business? Can you see how you could drive new clients to your business? Because they're Googling your product. And you see that not only can you drive new customers to your business, bona fide new customers to your business, your online business, or your affiliate business, but it's also going to cost you nothing. It's like a win-win. So the question comes up again is you've got two advertising options. The first is to spend hundreds of, it's going to be thousands. I'm being really polite here, but it's not hard to spend thousands on ads before you even get going, even before your first sale. Or you can actually keep that money in your pocket and place your ads in front of buyers on Google, on YouTube, first page, in the top 3 or 4 rankings for years to come for free. So knowing you have a system where you have zero chance of losing, I'm going to put a link to a video that I would strongly recommend watching, and it's Paul Murphy talking with Mike of how powerful this program is. And before I do that, I'm just going to walk you through what happens when you actually hit the link to this free seminar. So when you press the link for the bonus workshop that I provided in this video, you're going to come to this page, and it's going to be with Mike and also Paul Murphy. Now, this is Paul Murphy here, and it talks about the weird loophole gets unlimited free Google Ads. It works. I've been on it now about 5 months, and it works magically. So you'll come down and you'll want to register. So just hit the register button, and it's going to take probably a couple of moments to see if there's availability, because it's been extremely powerful and pretty popular as well. So put the date in, your time zone, your first name and last name, and I promise you're going to have 90 minutes of incredible information and knowledge that is going to turn your business around 180 degrees. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you found it informative. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put the link in the screen and also in the description box for my free bonus seminar with Paul Murphy. And what he's going to do is he's going to go a little more into depth of how powerful his 24-hour ranking system and 5-step program is. And take a look at there tomorrow when you have an opportunity. It is a tremendous value, this seminar / workshop, and I promise if it does what it did for me, it's going to make a big difference for your business and your online business. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos, and leave a comment below. And in the meantime, you have yourself an awesome day, and we will see you next time.